Hey kids, how are you? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we are going to learn about pronoun they. So they is a subject pronoun which is used in place of third person plural. Why plural? Because we are collectively talking about two or more people. Now let's understand what is a subject pronoun. A subject pronoun is a pronoun which tells us about the subject of the sentence about whom we are talking, and it performs the action in the sentence. Let's take one example. They are laughing. So, in this sentence, which is a subject? Correct. Pronoun they is the subject because it is performing the action. So, let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun they clear. So, Rudy, let's take our first example. They are looking at us. So, in this sentence, they is the subject pronoun, which means it is performing the action in the sentence. It is used for third person plural. Why plural? Because we are collectively talking about many people.
Now I understood it.
Good. So, Rudy, read the second example.
They are sitting together.
Correct. So again in this sentence, they is the subject pronoun, which means it is performing the action in the sentence. Now tell me, they is used for first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Right. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Now you understood, Rudy. So Rudy, read the third example.
They went out to eat.
Right. So can you identify the subject pronoun in this sentence?
They.
Why?
Because it is performing the action.
Correct. So they is first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Right. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Very good, Rudy. So, are you clear that what is pronoun they? Very nice. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.